The Dream cocktails come in 3 different formulas: kale infused, coconut infused, and carb infused. When you're blow drying your hair, you can actually have a negative effect on the texture. It can actually be quite abusive and cause dehydration, breakage, dulling, and fadage. That's why when you blow dry, you should really treat your hair with a cocktail. These are going to instantly transform the texture of your hair. Whether you have breakage, we have kale, it's going to make your hair twice as strong in one application. If you've got a rough, coarse texture to your hair, you use the coconut, it's instantly transform your hair to a silky, smooth, hydrated finish. And if you have a fine textured hair, you use the carb. And this instantly fattens and plumps up your hair, making it look and feel twice as thick instantly. So when you're blow drying your hair, it makes no sense not to add a cocktail. So instead of the wear and tear, what you're actually doing is majorly improving the quality of your hair and really improving the texture. So now you can use the heat to your advantage. Instead of blow dry being harmful, when you add one of our heat activated cocktails, it's actually beneficial to your hair.